Hey. Hey, Andrew.
Good morning.
Huh?
Good morning.
Oo.
How are you?
I'm good.
That's good.
May sipon lang ako.
Oo.
Konti.
Malamig na. Kagabi sa, oh my God, the bus. That was the coldest. Like, we were in a freezer, Mama.
Dapat alam ninyo na pag gano'n.
No, Mama, it's worse than you think.
Yeah, I know how cold it is. Sa ganyan eh.
Ang kapal ng jacket ko.
Oo.
Naka-neck-warmer pa na ako.
Oo.
Ang lamig pa din.
Oo.
Oh my God. Mama.
Oo. Ano kaya?
Better after, no? Mama with feelings. Mama with feelings. Diba? Alam ko. Oo.
Oh my God. Oh. Kasya pa yung mga damit mo. Pero yung mga pinalaba ko last time. Pero
daw. Pumalumit si Papa.
hindi kasi one.
He got smaller.
Yeah,
What happened?
kasi he had to reduce.
Yeah, the last time I saw him, I was a bit bigger.
Kain na kayo.
Ano pa si Nalisa?
Ay,
He didn't sleep properly.
sige garod. Umulan na yun. Ano nga garod?
He went all out sa salubong, Mama. That bag that I brought there,
Oh my God.
that's 70% hurt for you guys.
Bakit nga?
I have no idea.
I don't like to impose.
Yeah, I don't impose either. He just went all out.
So tulog pa siya. Ikakain ka na, hindi pa. Hindi mo siya. O huwag mo garod kainin yung ganito.
Where's Papa?
Pumunta siya nag-market ng pang pinakaitan bukas. Anong plano niyo? Kailan siya uuwi? Mauuna siya.
I'll say the only reason why is he needs to discuss the resignation already. Ano na siya eh, it's for like